guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be building a computer builder boat, and comment down below what you think you rate it out of 10. Also please subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I'm just going to get straight into a time lapse. Alright, that's the end of the build. Now I'll give you a nice little showcase. Oh damn, Gamer Freak's tank looks good. You got it to work. Nice, yeah. Alright, let's test out this beautiful gaming setup. So, as you can see, you have a light bulb here. If it gets dark, look, if it's night time, wait, daylight off. I've got a light bulb here, got a monitor, it's a little bit scratched, okay, and then you got this keyboard and mouse, amazing curved monitor, it's 80,000K, and then you got this beautiful PC. So that's the end of the video. Rate it out of 10 please in the comments below, comment what you want to see next. Peace.